चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यो एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to lotus feet of my Guru Padma, Nityala Prashna Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satyavan Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Prashna Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satyavan Bhakti Vedanta Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nityala Prashna Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Sri Guru Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. Continue, we also discuss about some Viruddha dharmas of Krishna and Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Chaitamritam Adilila, 4th chapter, verse number 128. According to this book, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bengali Hindi books, actually we are discussing Adilila 4th chapter, slok number 126, 127 and 128 and 29 and 130. Fire. We also discuss, compare with Srimati Radhika's Viruddha Dharmamaya, and she also Krishna's Viruddha Dharmamaya. Viruddha means which are contradictory of his nature, contradictory nature of Srimati Radhika and contradictory nature of Krishna. So we also discuss the Krishna's contradictory nature, that is called his Atmaram, and simultaneously he also playing with the gopis and also Srimati Radhika in Ras dance. For this regard, actually, Aramat, Opi, Ramat. Aramat, he is not playing, but he is not doing anything. But also he is playing with the gopis in the Ras dance. So this is called Aramat, Opi, Ramat. Ramat also Upi Aramat. That means he is called Atmaram, also he is called Atmaram, and also he is playing with the gopis in Rajdan, he is saying, because this is completely contradictory. We discuss these things. So, and also Krishna, he is called Sarva Vyapi, he also resides everywhere, that is called omnipotent, and simultaneously he also manifests very nice, beautiful his form. That Sanskrit word, that is called क्या बोला था? Murtiman. Murtiman means with form. He resides everywhere. That is, he is called Atmaram Aptakam. Because also Vedas is also saying he resides everywhere. And he is called also, that is called Paramatma, super soul. Super soul means he is Paramatma. His duty is, that is just to witness and watching the living entities what they are doing. That is called Atma. That is called Paramatma. And also he is called Brahma. Brahma means effulgence. As the Advaitavadi is just saying, he is called an effulgence. This is saying this way. आत्माराम होते हुए पर भी वो रमन करते हैं, जिसको रमन बिहारी कहा गया है। सर्वव्यापी होते हुए पर भी कहते हैं मूर्तिमान। ये कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी हो रहा है। और क्या बताया था? पहले कृष्ण के बारे में हम लोग बताया था। और अनदर ही इज ऑल्सो सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहुड स्वयं भगवान। And Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they also paying their obeisance in his lotus feet. And simultaneously, he is acting the very nice, beautiful, sweet pastimes in Brajavasis as a human being. Lokavattu Leela Kaivalam. And he is also taking the food dust from the gopis. Look at this. And he also taking the, what is called, feed dust from the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, also Nanda Yashoda. Doing the same this way. So this is actual, why I am these things, how Krishna, he is contradictory mode only. And all these things. And he knows everything, and simultaneously he knows nothing. So this is also contradictory. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika's also contradictory mode, and we also listen. And the Srimati Radhika, she's staying in highest prem also. But Gaurav Vihin, he is not, he is very humble. She is very humble. That is called Gaurav and Gaurav Vihin. Gaurav means his, and all kinds of his qualities is there. But she is very humble and humility. This also thing is. Tathapi Krishna, tathapi वह प्रेम गौरवपूर्ण आचरण विहीन है, वही महानत का लक्षण है। Radhika prem is nirmal. Radhika's prem is very neat and clean. No any duplicity and no any hypocrisy. But simultaneously also, and he is acting and duplicity and hypocrisy also. That means when she did man, and then she automatically crooked. And because this is the nature of prem. And this nature of prem always is what? Crooked. Vakrata. Jatha vahi ribameva. As like snake walks in zigzagging way, in the same way Radhika's prem, love is also and always crooked. Because this is the nature of the prem. So here also saying, and her prem also increasing more and more. There is no ceiling to attain. But her prem also again and again increases. That is called Mahabhava Dasha. So yesterday we also discussed this. What is the Mahabhava Dasha? Mahabhava Dasha means when Anurag means deep attachment, attain to highest platform. And that time there are no place to expand, but also expanded. So how possible this way? In this material not possible. If you drop if you put the one drop of water in the full brim of the glass, then that water will be split. In the same way, Srimati Radhika's prem also increasing, but not overflowing. This is also the Achinta Tattva. राधा प्रेम बाड़ीते नहीं बारीक क्षणे क्षणे So Anurag Dasa, when attain the stage of Sasambodh Dasa and Javadasar Vitti, that is called Mahabhav. The simple way you may understand. What did he say? When Anurag, and when the Anurag, and Anurag means deep attachment towards Krishna. They going to Javad Asar Vitti and Sangs with the Dasha. That is called, actually that is called Mahabhav. And this Mahabhav absolutely manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So this Mahabhav continue increasing, that is called Ruda, Udhiruda, Mohan, Modan and Madanakha Mahabhav. So Sasangvidya Dasha, Javad आश्रय वित्ती और सत्संग दशा. हिंदी फिर कहता हूँ, काल से कितने बार मैंने कहा, आप ठीक से सुनते नहीं ना, लिखते ही नहीं. इसके जो महाभाव दशा किसको कहते हैं? जब अनुराग, अपने प्रेमास्पद के प्रति जो अनुराग, प्रेमास्पद नहीं, अपने प्रियजन के प्रति जो अनुराग, जब जावद आश्रय वित्तीय सत्संग दशा की प्राप्त कर लेते हैं, उसकी कहा जाते हैं महाभाव. इतने समझो बस. When the anurag and attain the stage of sasmagda dasha or जावत आश्रय वित्ती, उसकी कहा जाते हैं महाभाव. इतना ही समझो बात. अंडरस्टैंड? ये केवल टर्मोलॉजी आपको जानना पड़ेगा. ये कोई समझा बुझा करके नहीं होता है और पढ़ करके भी नहीं होगा. आप पढ़ लिए. यू कैन रीड ऑल्सो दिस उज्जवल इनमणि Ujjal Muni Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, but you may not understand. Just to read, because this is not the sadhan stage. This is the stage of Siddha. And sadhan katha you may understand, but when we are speaking about Siddha, that is beyond of our material conception. And these things just you may realize when you come the stage of bhav or prema dasha, and that time spontaneously automatically manifest in your heart. Just again and again what you will listen. And when you will get this mercy of Krishna and Krishna Parikar, Krishna and his associates, then you may understand. Otherwise, if 1,000 times you will speak, 1,000 times you will listen, you may not understand. Understanding, that is called realization, that is called self-realization will come, that is called Atma Anubhuti. So just this terminology have to learn. Understand this thing? Because this katha is not the sadhan stage katha. You understand? Sadhan stage, how learn this? Saddha, sadhusanga, bhajanakriya, antu, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. Then after asakti, you attain, that is called rati, and then bhavdasha. When you, that bhavdasha, that is called, that bhavdasha, that is called kripa shaddha. Only you can attain by the causeless mercy of Krishna and Krishna Parikar. You understand these things? This simple this. So then that is called, for this regard bhavadasas, the definition is giving the Suddha Sattva, Visheshatma, Prema Sujjam Sambhavako, Ruchi Vichitta Smarshina Kridasu Bhavochate. When sadhu will cross the asakti dasa and attain in bhav dasa, then everything is coming from the Nitya Siddhas Parikars. Their prem, the sprinkle of the prem ke kirankan, rays of the prem of divine Lord Radha and Krishna and his Parikar, which also reflected on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini will come. This is called the Bhavadasa. So why I am saying this thing? Because this is actually, absolutely all these katha, what we are discussing, they are only Kripa Shaddha. Just to terminology, again you can read Ratanting and Patanting. You read and again recite it. Ratanti and patanti. Read and recite. Recitation, just the thing. When this mercy will come, then we realize this thing. That is called self-realization. Self-realization is the best realization. So now coming in this way, we also discussed about Srimati Radhika's Viruddha Dharmasraya also. And she is attained highest all the stage of prem, but she is very humble. Understand? Humility. Srimati Radhika always very humble. Look, this how to prove Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is the queen of Vrindavan, but she gives all these everything to Vrindavan. So Vrindavan is actually Srimati Radhika. She is the queen of Vrindavan. Vrindavan is Srimati Radhika. But now she is giving this everything to Vrindadevi. So everybody know Vrindavan, the name of Vrindadevi. Radha Kunda, everything is Radha Kunda, her name, everything belongs to her. But she also is giving all his places, everything to her Sakhi, Ashta Sakhis. Radha Kunda Mahima, when you glorified about Radha Kunda Mahima, where is the place of Srimati Radhika? Everything belongs to Srimati Radhika. This house belongs to you, but you are very humble. You are giving all these things, giving to your children. Understand? But this house is what? When you describe, who is the owner of the house? Then I will be saying Prakash Prabhu is the owner of the house. Understand? Name is yours, but everything you are giving to your children. In the same way, you can see Vrindavan Dham, Radha Kunda, everything is also Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika is very humble. She gives all the kunjas, all her Sakhis. One day I will discuss 8 corners of Radha Kunda. 8 Sakhis are there. 8 Sakhis Kunja is there. Understand? There is called Lalitananda Kunja, Lalita Sakhis Kunja, there is Lalitananda Kunja. Vishakha Devi's Kunja, that is called Vishakhananda Kunja. Chandra, what is called? Chitra, Champaklata, Indulekha, they 8 Sakhi Devi. And even the middle of Radha Kunda, that also Kunja is called Sananda Sukhada Kunja, that is called Ananga Manjari's Kunja. So when you find where is the Kunja of Srimati Radhika? Actually all these Kunja belongs to Srimati Radhika. Just to give you example, your house. Understand? Parents thinking all the house belongs to my children. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is very humble. And all the Sakhis, they also in their Kunja, what they are doing there? How did Radha Krishna are they meeting together? That's a Lalitananda Kunja, Lalita Devi. What she is doing there? Her duty is what? How to Radha Krishna meet you in their Kunja. And she is giving many kinds of instruction to Srimati Radhika. Different Kunja. How they do? Because this is the nature of the Sakhis. Radha Krishna ei lila oti guratara dasya vasyaadi nahi ko esab gochar. Sabek Sakhi gane tatha adhikar Sakhi lila kare tatha Sakhi lila sadar. Radha Krishna, this confidential lila, Madhurya lila, those who are the devotee of Dasa Sakha Vatsalya, they cannot enter. They cannot realize this. They have no qualified to enter that place. So who are doing this? Sakhis. So what the nature of the Sakhis? Sakhis Sabhav Ek Akatha Kathan. The Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Understand? All the Sakhis, they are duty. Even the Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Prishta Sakhi. The 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. And all Sakhis, their duty is what? How they arrange Radha Krishna meet together. So saying, Sakhi je kathajan, Sakhi ek swabhav se je na jai kathan. Sabai ek Radha Krishna, Sakhis, this is their name. Even the Manjaris, what the duties of the Manjaris? How Radha and Krishna they meet together. And how they want point to Srimati Radhika and to serve to Srimati Radhika and give the exclusive pleasure to Srimati Radhika. Manjari's duty is there. Understand this? When we discuss about Manjari Tattva, Sakhi Tattva, so 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Prana Prishta Sakhi Lalita. Lalita Abhiseka, that is called 8th and Sakhi, that is called Prana Prishta Sakhi. Or Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, actually they are called Manjaris. Understand? But all these Sakhis, they are aim and object, how Radha Krishna, they will meet together. They are arranging. This is the thing. Lalita Vishakha. Lalita Vishakha, they also arranging. अरे प्राण पृष्ठ सखी ललिता विशाखा, ये सब अष्ट सखी को कहा जाता है, ये प्राण पृष्ठ सखी में आ जाता है सब. ललिता विशाखा सुदेवी रंगदविद तुंगविद्या इंदु लेखा सुदेवी, ये सब सखी के कहा जाता है, प्राण पृष्ठ सखी कहा जाता है. इन लोग के सखी के काम यही है. सब प्रकार के सखी के एक ही काम है. जहां पर हम सखी शब्द करेंगे, व्यवहार करेंगे, सखी के यही काम होता है. अच्छा, मंजरी के जो सखी जो काम होता है थोड़ा कहीं पर जो उनके द्युति स्तुति प्रक्रिया द्युति के काम करता रहता है. मैसेंजर के काम करता है. द्युति 2 प्रकार का होता है. एक होता है अप्त द्युति, एक होता है संग द्युति कहा जाता है. ये समस्त जानने के लिए आपको जबधर्म पढ़ना पड़ेगा. हाँ समझ में, ये केवल बोलने से नहीं होता, आपको अपने को अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा. हम तो बोल दिया, किंतु उसको आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. हाँ समझे, ग्रंथ में क्या लिखा है. सुनने से नहीं होता है, केवल सुनने के बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा. हम बोल करके चले गए तो हो गया, फिर 1 साल बाद आएंगे आप. हाँ, बंसी द्युति कहा जाता है. ये बंसी जो कहा रहे हैं, ये जो द्युति कर रहे हैं, बंसी हम लोग जैसे बजा देगा, किंतु बंसी उनकी साउंड अपराग्ध जगत है, सबकी जो चिन्मय वस्तु है. Everything is transcendental. So Bangsi, their flute, different types of flute. Because everywhere in the transcendental world, everything that is called Chinmay and Chetan being, conscious being. If I tell you, you may not understand, because how possible this? They are also doing everything. The sound of the flute, Bangsi Dhani, enter in the ears of the gopis and taking their very valuable treasure from their heart. Understand? So this is, everything is transcendental, because transcendental you can, if you want to speak, that time you want to know about gross way. Bangsi, just when we are speaking about a Bangsi, that will go this Bangsi this way. Understand? But this transcendental world, everything is your transcendent. Jatkinchit tinagulmakuk, jatchintit tinagulmak vikatam mukam, goshte samasti tat, sarvananda mukunda daitam lilanukulam param. Sastri vasputamitra nashtimatra janchaya, brahmadivi saspena madhyanta bandate. Very nice, beautiful sloka. You would learn this sloka. What is the meaning of conscious being, Chetan and transcendental world, that thing? Understand? Jat kinchit tinagulma kikata mukam. Even the grass of Vrindavan, that is conscious being. All they are also servicing to Krishna. Krishna said. And they are embodiment also prem. Prema ke murtiman hai. केवल घास के रूप में आप देख रहे, just you looking as like grass. But they are conscious being, they are servicing divine called Radha and Krishna. They are in this transcendental world of Prakat Golok Vrindavan, there are no any what is called opposite mode. Understand? Look like opposite mode, as like snake. One day I told this katha. Actually their snake is favorable for how to Radha Krishna meet together. And that snake, who manifested the form of snake? Yeah. Krishna himself. Jogmasi arranged this way. Because Krishna performs all his lila with his own Radhini Sakti Srimati Radhika. Understand? Shakti and Shaktiman. Krishna is playing with his own Shakti. Understand? Actually, that lion, tiger, actually is non-different from Krishna. And how Krishna is doing? With his own Yogamaya. Because Krishna performs all his lila with his Yogamaya. Who is Yogamaya? Actually, Srimati Radhika herself. Understand that? Who is Yogamaya? Yogamaya is Srimati Radhika. But her expansion, that is called Yogamaya. Yogamaya not other than from Srimati Radhika. Because Radha is called Purna Shakti, and Krishna is called Purna Shaktiman. So Shakti, Shaktiman or Daur Aveda. There are no difference between Shakti, Shaktiman. Krishna one form, manifest in the form of tiger, lion, these. Actually, who is it? Krishna directly not doing. Who is doing? And Krishna's Yogamaya. And who is the Yogamaya? And Radhini Shakti, Srimati Radhika. Her expansion, doing the Yogamaya. And Yogamaya she arranged this. So that means actual all this Leela performed by Srimati Radhika. When you deeply analyze Tattva Siddhanta, all Leela who is doing? Srimati Radhika. Because Krishna, because Chaitanya very clearly explained this way. Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all desires of Krishna. But Bahu Kanta nahi bina nahe rasere ullas. Without many consort, Krishna will not happy. So for this regard, Krishna, so Srimati Radhika, she expand, many form this way. Origin form Srimati Radhika. But her she also with the Yogamaya or inconceivable potency. Always is got inconceivable potency, Achinta Shakti. She manifests, expands this way. So this Leela is going on this. Even the grasses of Vrindavan की जो तीन गुल्म लता आदि ये सब कृष्ण सेवा के अनुकूल, किंतु वो सेवा के यदि हम सूक्ष्म विचार करें और ये डीपली एनालाइज, एक्चुअली हु इज दे? एक्चुअली श्रीमती राधिका, लादिनी शक्ति सवन आनंद चिन्मय रस प्रतिभावित स्तारभुज निज रूप तया कलाभि एको हम बहुत सा Lord you want, this is true, but here ineffable potency. And in this potency, and Yogamaya is doing this. Just Krishna's desire potency and working, then others is automatically they start to act, क्रिया करना शुरू कर देती है. Understand? बहुत सुंदर है. इसलिए जो कहते हैं जावत अरे रस तत्व विचार में राधा जी की होता है, तत्व विचार में बलदेव प्रभु होता है. आप बीच बीच में उल्टा बोलते फिर हमें नीचे आना पड़ता है. बलदेव तत्व क्या है और राधा तत्व है क्या है? बलदेव प्रभु जो है स्वयं कृष्ण ही तो है, वो एक सर्व है. द रस विचार में आ जाता है तो राधा जी की हम कहते हैं. और बलदेव प्रभु, वही बलदेव प्रभु जो रस विचार में अनंग मंजरी के भाव में सेवादि हो रहे है. किसी यही तो कहा जाए अचिंत भेदाभेद तत्व. हजार बार बोलने में आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. अचिंत भेद भी है और विद डिफरेंस एंड नॉन डिफरेंस है. लोक लीला में जैसे ये सब लीला आदि दिखा दिया. कृष्ण कहने मैं पूर्णानंद, आई एम फुल ऑफ कंप्लीट ऑफ ब्लिस, আমি पूर्णानंद. कृष्ण करे है कि नहीं? बट हर समय हो गया ना. हाँ चलो हम प्रसाद पर चलते हैं, 9 बजे निकालना है ना. हाँ वो प्रिपेयर फॉर द प्रसाद. अरे प्रसाद तो 2 तब तो जाएंगे, फिर 10 मिनट लगा भगो हो गया है. कथा सुन, ये कथा तो कितने बार सुना देगा है. हाँ यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो विरुद्ध धर्म से कैसे किया?
Extending all the sakis,
all the sakis,
she's extending all the manjaris,
all the manjaris,
and all the gopis also for Krishna's.
Sakis, how?
Sakis of
The sakis are gopis.
Abhijay Gopi, already transcendental Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. Not they are called not Jiva Tattva.
Oh, so they're not extensions of Radharani? Srimati Radharani?
First you try to understand what is the meaning of Jiva Tattva and what is the meaning of Parikar Tattva. Parikar Tattva means those who are, what is it? Parikar means?
Associates.
Associates. They are associates, that is Srimati Radhika herself. Understand? A Jiva Tattva, that is called the Shakti of Shakti Tattva, for Krishna Shakti. Some also manifested from Baladev Prabhu, that is dependence with this. First to read Jaiva Dharma, Shakti Tattva. That different. Jiva Shakti, Maya Shakti. One, I think 3 chapters also there. About Shakti Tattva.
उसने बताया था दुर्गा जी भी तो राधा जी का शक्ति है, वो तो जीव
अरे
तत्व में आते हैं।
कौन?
दुर्गा जी
जो इस जगत के जो माया करती जो है वो दुर्गा है, वो जीव तत्व के रूप में उसके काम दिया गया है। असली दुर्गा किसका नाम है? एक दिन बताया कि नहीं? राधा जी ही वास्तव रूप में वही दुर्गा, ओरिजिनल दुर्गा है। दुर्गयति रक्षयति कृष्ण प्रेमम, जो स्वयं जो कृष्ण के जो प्रेम के द्वारा जो अमृत को ढक करके रखते हैं, इसलिए राधा जी के एक नाम है दुर्गा है। आप इसको अच्छी तरह से समझो जो मैं बताते जा रहा हूँ। राधा तत्व
ट्रांसेंडेंटल वर्ल्ड में
है, इस जगत में जो दुर्गा जो है वो देवता तत्व है, हो ना? हाँ समझ, वो उसके काम सब दिया। जैसे ब्रह्मा जी 2 प्रकार के ब्रह्मा होता है, एक वैराज ब्रह्मा और एक कौन सा ब्रह्मा? अरे हिरण्यगर्भ ब्रह्मा। हिरण्यगर्भ ब्रह्मा जो है वो स्वयं कृष्ण है, भगवान नारायण है। और जो वैराज ब्रह्मा जो है वो जीव तत्व है। इसको आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा। शिव भी 2 प्रकार की है, एक कैलाश शिव हो रहे त्रिगुणात्मक जी से, और एक होता है सदाशिव। सदाशिव विष्णु तत्व है। इसके जब तक आप शक्ति तत्व नहीं समझोगे है तो 1000 में जो महाभारत की कथा जो बोला आपके समझ में नहीं आएगा। यही तो बता रहा हूँ है। इसलिए बार बार आप जब इधर पढ़ो, ये समझ में नहीं आए शक्ति तत्व पढ़ो। उसमें जीव शक्ति के बारे में कहा गया है, माया शक्ति के बारे में कहा गया। माया भी कौन प्रकार, एक जड़ माया और एक जोग माया। माया को एक गुण माया, ये समझते आपको जानना पड़ेगा है। इस जगत में जो रक्षा करती है, जेल कहा जाता है, वो जेल के जो रक्षा करते हैं वो महामाया, वो जीव तत्व है, दुर्गा है। उसको काम सब दिया है। और जैसे किसी वो भी कार्य करने के लिए इतना विशाल जो कार्य, कभी कभी ऐसे नहीं मिलते। स्वयं भगवान है वो अपने शक्ति के द्वारा बनाते रहते हैं, काम सौंपा दिया जाता है। वो एक है जीव तत्व और एक परिकर तत्व है। एक जीव तत्व परिकर तत्व एक नहीं। जैसे नंद जसोदा ये लोग क्या है, एक परिकर तत्व है। जब तक हम अच्छी तरह से नहीं समझ रहे हैं ये परिकर तत्व किसको कहा जाता है और जीव तत्व किसको कहा जाता है। सब 1000 कल के सुनने से कुछ लाभ ही नहीं होता, सब जीरो में आ जाएगी। इसलिए ये पढ़ो, ये धर्म पढ़ो, उसको अपने को पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना है, अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा सबका। एक बार नहीं, बार बार करते रहो। सुनने से क्या हुआ है, सुनने के बाद आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, पढ़ने के बाद फिर सुनना पड़ेगा है, पुनः पुनः करना पड़ता है।
एक question, Maharaji. Last night you mentioned that there was 3 things that were important that we need for spiritual life. 3 things.
First thing is one spiritual master. Second, one temple place where all devotees together sitting together. Third, need Grantha books. Books is our river. And there is called law books. There is called Praman.
Evidence.
So spiritual life means need 3 things. And where all the devotees sitting comfortable, need one place or not? Understand? If the temple, then everybody will come. Come or not? That temple, that is called the Nirapeksha Sthan. Nirapeksha means?
Neutral.
Neutral place. Everybody come to neutral place. If you not call to your place, everybody will not come. Even you call, they will come or not. There. But temple, we are not giving the invitation. Temple will give the invitation. Invitation, no. Personally not giving the invitation. Just if they spread, today, Radhastami, everybody have to come. General way we are giving the invitation. But if you do the program Radhastami in your house, then you have to personally also give the invitation. Then people will come. The simple way, no?
Yes.
So for this Nikat is a neutral place. So in a neutral place, everybody will come. Understand? Reason, everybody will come. Understand? Even those who are also walking in the street, they will come. Understand this? But if you do your program in your house, even walking, those who are people walking in the street, they will not come. Because this is your private. Good. Good.